Are you ready? Ready?
You got smoke?
No, you gotta wait till the camera's on you. Don't you know anything about making videos? Come on.
Okay. Got smoky Gouda.
We got a baguette.
We got sage sausage.
Homemade.
That is homemade.
You're onto something there. That's really good. But we tried these cheese scheme little mustard cheese.
Oh yeah, there is wasabi on the front.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Was wasabi in them maybe?
That's we tried them.
They're pretty good.
They're decent, I would say.
I would say they're pretty good. I don't know the
What's next?
All right, Lay's seaweed chips.
Yes.
Potato chips. Let's try them.
Gotta hold them up.
We can't.
I'm doing my job now.
There we go. Okay.
We gotta open them.
Okay. We got these.
Ew, they smell bad.
Nori
Smell like
seaweed
seaweed.
chips.
Hold on. It says Lay's. Anyway. Alright. A chip. The chips
Got
look
a lot
like...
of spice on it now. Got little shaky things.
Oh, those are good.
Butter bear.
They're not bad, actually. It tastes
Let
like...
me taste.
I love those.
It tastes like the teriyaki, like, seaweed that you had in, like, 8th grade.
It's good.
Those are actually pretty good.
Those are all good.
I would definitely eat that whole bag.
So would I. Was so beautiful was because she was actually secretly a witch in disguise. So, what the princess did Was she?
Too gooey?
I can work with it. Can I make a pinch pot out of it? Is the question.
Donut time! Get your fresh fried donut! Alright, this is what you gotta do.
Oh, we're making them?
Yeah. So come over here on this side. Everybody come over here on this side. Go around that way. So it's very hot oil and very dangerous. So don't be getting too crazy. And then you gotta take your biscuit. You gotta take your biscuit and push your thumbs through there. Get kind of round shape. Don't smash it too much. All right.
Oh snap! What's going on here? Woo! Got some hot grease.
Is this good?
Perfect. And when it floats up to the top, you flip it. Maybe it needed to go a little longer. You don't want to do more.
Oh no, gosh, that's enough.
You can always shake it off.
Lightly.
What? Oh God, it's hot.
I'm very cooking outside. That's awesome.
That's good. Soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. Very good.
What do you say, Diddle?